Subcontractors have to finance a job sometimes 90 days before we get paid, and that put a tremendous burden on our cash flow. Lines of credit with banks are very difficult to get, have been for years. When we found Build, it became very interesting and intriguing to see, is there a way that we can do our interim financing and not be always fighting with either the bank or either the GC to try to get paid and keep our cash flow going. The comparison between Build and a bank is pretty much night and day. Banks are so regulated, you basically have to have 3 times as much money in the bank as the line of credit you're after. Build, they have their fees. Yes, they're looking at our financials to make sure we're sound enough to take on as a customer, and I respect that, but it's not near as restrictive as banks are, because that's all they do is construction. They understand how things work. They understand the pay-app process. They understand how long it takes. They understand the contracts that are built into them. Banks don't. Banks, all they're looking at is, how soon are you gonna pay this? That's all they're looking at. It feels like a partnership with Build. They're very responsive. It's not about, okay, we got your contract, we're just gonna wait for you to pay us back, we'll see you later. That's a lot the way banks operate. But with Build, they're constantly communicating with you. You got a question, they're gonna answer it, and they're gonna answer it in short order. We use Build and the bank together. What Build has done is give us basically a larger line of credit. It allows us to more actively go after the growth. With Build as a partner now, we're able to look at more jobs because we have that potential of funding per job. Pure and simple, we can achieve the growth either on goal time or ahead of time.